The 2021 GMC Canyon AT4 is equipped with 17-inch wheels matched with 31-inch Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrac tires. It benefits from a four-wheel drive system and a rear automatic Eaton locking differential. The 2021 Canyon AT4 also comes with an off-road tuned suspension incorporating a hill descent assistance systems. For the extra protection when traveling over rough terrain, GMC installs a skid plate for the transfer case to reduce the risks of damaging the crucial components. The midsize pickup is motivated by a 3.6-liter V6 naturally aspirated engine rated at 308 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 275 foot-pounds of torque from 4,000 RPM, delivered to the wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Should you want more torque, there is also a Duramax 2.8-liter turbodiesel engine pushing out 181 horsepower at 3,400 RPM and 369 foot-pounds of torque from 2,000 RPM via a 6-speed automatic.